So just being honest with you guys, I procrastinate so much to record this video, okay? Literally, I'm going to sleep right after I record this video because look at my face, yeah, I'm tired. But hey, this is gonna be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, meditating, practicing your art, literally anything positive. Hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So, this is April 17th, 2025, and this is going to be day 283 of consistently helping people build consistency. So here's the thing, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about, we should not rely on motivation because motivation comes and goes, rely on discipline. Yeah, motivation comes and goes, and if we only rely on motivation, then we are not going to be consistent because we are only going to be doing it. We are only going to be doing the thing when we feel like doing the thing. Okay? When we don't feel like doing the thing, we are not going to be doing it. Okay? So do not rely on motivation. And I kind of agree with this notion, okay? But notice, right? Notice that yes, even though motivation comes and goes, we can actually try to deliberately create that motivation, okay? So here's the thing, we humans, right? When we see things, when we perceive things, we are going to have some certain interpretation about that thing. And that certain interpretation is going to make us have, you know, some feelings toward that thing, right? So for example, if you see a kitten, right? If you see a kitten, a cute kitten, or maybe like you see an image of a cute kitten, you're going to see it, you're going to be interpreting it. Oh yeah, this kitten is so cute. And then it's going to trigger, right? It's going to trigger some emotion inside of you. It's going to evoke some sense of emotion. Maybe it's going to evoke the emotion of love. You want to, show some love to the cat, and so on, right? And also, that's one example. Another example here is that if I show you I don't know, a picture of a person punching another person, you're also going to be having some another interpretation about that thing, about that picture, and also you are going to be having some feeling, right? Some emotions about that thing. So basically, the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to precisely use this human nature in order to help us to stay consistent at doing our things. Okay? At doing our, I don't know, you want to be consistent at exercising, you want to be consistent at studying, you want to be consistent at pursuing your dreams. Anything, okay? Anything positive, okay? I'm going to be giving you guys one really powerful implementation on how to actually use this, principle. This can absolutely be personalized. You can just customize it, and I'm just going to be giving you guys some idea, okay, that you guys can use. Basically, really simple. Just create a PowerPoint presentation in your phone, and then add a picture of your childhood picture, right? Maybe your picture of you being the 8-year old, or maybe 4-year old, or maybe I don't know, elementary school, junior high school. Just basically put that one picture, right? And then the thing that you are going to be doing here is that you are going to be writing a thing, right? Under the picture. You are going to be writing a question over there. Really simple question. The question is, if I can meet my younger self today, or if my younger self today can meet me today, how does he or she is going to expect me to live my life today? Okay, basically that's simple. But that's just one really powerful line, okay? It basically reminds you of all the dreams you had as a child, okay? As a child, you dream, maybe like in the future you are going to be a good person, you are going to be a cool person, you are going to be achieving your dreams, blah 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 blah, achieve this, achieve that. Basically, children being children, right? You as a children have big expectations to yourself, to your future self. And you, as your current self, as your present self, You also want to make that younger version of yourself proud, right? Basically, this is going to be a really powerful motivation trigger. Okay, basically, this is going to be a really powerful one. And when you got that motivation trigger, the probability of you doing the thing that you actually know that you need to, that you actually know you should be doing, is going to be higher. Okay, so the thing that you are going to be doing here is that you are going to be setting a really clear time in the morning. When are you going to be reading this PowerPoint presentation? And you are going to be reading this on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so for example, 5 a.m. every single day, you are going to be reading, right? Reading this PowerPoint presentation. And also, you can also set on an alarm to remind yourself to read that PowerPoint presentation. Yeah. So, and here's the thing. Again, the motivation is going to come and goes, and maybe the motivation is going to last for 10 minutes, maybe it's going to last for 20 minutes, maybe it's going to last for 1 hour, 2 hours, right? But as long as we just consistently remind ourselves of our reason on a day-to-day basis, it's going to be a really, really big boost, right? A really big support in helping us stay consistent, okay? Because basically, we are going to be having a really high chance to get motivated on a day-to-day basis. And when we are feeling motivated, the probability of us doing the thing is going to be really, really high, henceforth helping us stay consistent, right? So that's it. How you stay consistent at doing positive things by consistently reminding yourself with a PowerPoint presentation. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. You can also join our Discord, link on the description, and also support my work on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. Would really appreciate that. And yeah, for today's date, authenticity post, today's April 17th, 2025. And memes are post today. There is no rat in this picture post last 24 hours. Thank you.